Hi, Glenn here, Olomana Gardens. What we've done is we've air plowed this. I took a shop vac with a 1-inch piece of PVC. I blew the air in with the shop vac, not sucking, blowing out, and I just plowed all underneath. And now when I come over here, it's loosey-goosey, no problem at all. And you don't have anything, and any seeds or anything like that, everything's been turned over. So the gardener that takes these beds over gets a nice fresh start, good to go. So any problems they have, that's their problem, not mine. I plowed it, right? So the neat thing is I've not changed the bacterial life into it. We did not throw the water away. We just let it go through the system. It'll take a day or so for the water to go clear and settle out. That's such the case. I don't want to throw away 200 gallons of nutritious water. Everything we broke, busted loose in there. And so these all have false bottoms. That means there's a bread tray at the bottom, the 1/4-inch plastic screen, like wire mesh, except it's plastic, and then we have 1 foot of cinder on top of it. And so the water is coming in. It looks like a lot of people put over the top. We don't. We put it in here. It goes straight to the bottom. These are all connected to a common drain. They're all connected to one 55-gallon drum. It has a siphon in it. They will all three fill up at the same time. The drum will fill up. When all three are full and the drum is full, then it will trip the siphon. All three will drain at the same time. Now the cute part is, I can come over here and put water into just one garden, and all three are going to fill up. This at 1/3 the speed as if I put water into all three gardens at one time. See the difference? Okay? So if I do it here, I would get a puddle of algae here on the top, and it would just grow and grow and grow. Part of the health is not like that at all. Over here, I can see the water, and my drain is straight below it, and I can take and put a standpipe in there, and that is just a piece of ice here, and I can flood this bed to chase away ants, slugs, anything else that can't live underneath the water. I'll just fill it up and leave it there for a day. Bingo. Then I drain it, I'm good to go again. See the difference? Years ago, we used to take this 100 gallons of cinder out, and what would we do? We would wash it and tumble, and we would get a great big mess. This way, I take a little shop vac. The smallest one will do the job. We can do this job with a battery-powered Milwaukee shop vac, okay? I just plug into 120 for convenience and a lot of horsepower. It's just roaring, and then you can bust it loose. We harvest all the onions, carrots, anything, potatoes, anything that's going underneath the cinder. I do this. But guess what? Even if I didn't have anything in here, this is just oil. I'll fill it up with water, do my water plow act all underneath it, and just bust everything up. I'm good to go. It's like a freshly plowed field, okay? The worms seem to handle it quite well. The population does not seem to change. It's going a lot better. Now, be truthful, when we put the water over the top, we just have a whole bunch of worms over here eating all the fish food because it's rattling apart. Department of Health didn't like that dirty water being on the surface where the lettuce leaves were touching. So what we do now is put the water down the center. This one will be extended over here in a minute, and I'll put a pipe on there going down that center drain, and so that there'll be no water on the surface. I don't want to see any mold. Here's the beautiful part. Think about being the lazy farmer, like you spoke to Japan said. Farmers work way too hard, being busy all the time. So what we do, what I mean by that? Well, if there's no water on the surface, guess what? Weed seeds don't grow. There's no nutrition for them, and there is no water. This is like landing on a volcano field in the middle of a big island. It's a rock desert. That's what I have. If I go over and I got all kind of ferns and algae and mold growing, it might be interesting for your terrarium, but it's not going to work for me here. You see the difference? Anyway, so I'll share that.